What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger's auto login problem. So when this problem occurs, when you open your Messenger, it's gonna ask you to relog in into your account every single time you open your Messenger. So it means when you close your Messenger, you log out automatically. So this is what happens when you're facing this problem. So if you guys are also facing this problem, let me show you guys how you guys can fix this. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's get into the video without any further ado. First step, you want to go to your Play Store or your App Store. So I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to go to my App Store. You want to search for Messenger. After you search for Messenger, make sure to check if it is up to date. In my screen, it shows open over here, which means my Messenger is up to date. But if it showed update over here instead of open, that means I need to update my Messenger. Because sometimes there's a bug and updating your Messenger should simply fix your problem. And after you update it, try to do this. If it shows the same problem, the next step you want to do is you want to go on your phone setting. Once you're in your phone setting, you want to go on general. You want to go on iPhone storage. And over here, you want to find Messenger. Once you find Messenger, you want to click on Messenger, click on offload app, click on offload. What this is going to do is this is going to delete all the data of Messenger stored in your phone. And once you reinstall it, it should, fix it. So open your Messenger, your problem should be fixed. If it still isn't fixed, the next step you can do is delete your Messenger and reinstall it again. Sometimes this is the simplest way to fix any problem. If you guys have any problem with the app, just delete the app, reinstall it again. It should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fix it, after reinstalling the app, just restart your phone once more. And once you switch off your phone and restart your phone, it should fix your problem. So that's how you guys can fix your Messenger auto logout problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.